In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add a background to your clip, whether it's a solid color, an image, or a beautiful blurred effect. First, import your video into CapCut and scale it down slightly using 2 fingers so you can see the empty background space. Now, from the toolbar at the bottom, tap on Background. You'll see 3 main options: Color, Image, and Blur. If you select Color, you can add a plain background, perfect for simple edits or branding. There are preset options to pick from, or you can tap on the color picker to choose any shade you want. Next, under Image, you can select from various preloaded image backgrounds or upload your own custom background by tapping the plus icon. This is great if you want a photo, gradient, or texture behind your main clip. Finally, there's the blur option. This one uses your video as the background but applies a smooth blur to it. You can experiment with different blur versions to find the one that fits your style, like soft motion or cinematic blur. Once you're happy with the result, adjust your video's position and scale so it fits perfectly over the new background. And that's it. You've successfully added a background to your video in CapCut Mobile. Try out each option to see what works best for your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.